¿Qué huele, amigos? Today we're going to talk about what happens if you don't get mastery and what you can do about it. Or maybe you just didn't get the grade you wanted. So if I go to Skyward and I'm looking in Skyward and I see, oh, I didn't get mastery on objective, let's say 2.1. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to Canvas, click on Modules. Surprise! We're clicking on Modules. Okay, then I'm going to scroll down until I find Objective 2.1. Oh, look, here it is. Objective 2.1. I can greet and introduce myself to someone. Okay, I have an objective overview if I want to take a look at that. Although that is an overview of all of Objective 2 and not necessarily just 2.1. Okay, so it might not be the most helpful if I look at that, but it could. Then I have a couple of different things going on. I have stuff that we did on the day-to-day. So this is things that we talked about in class that wasn't like a Canvas assignment. So we have a simple introduction. It might be worth it to look at that and review it. We also have an introduction of ourselves using como estás. So it could be pretty useful to look at that as well. Now, this one has a check mark, and check mark means that that's the assessment. So we can pause on that one for a minute. And then down below we have our aprendizaje individual, and there are 4 activities, 3 of them that will be really useful, and one that was typing practice, might not be the best, but it does have a little bit of introducing ourselves in there too, which is why it's included in this module. So we have 3.5 activities that we can do, as well as some extra resources here to get ready to retake the assessment, introduce yourself. And it tells you right here that you need to score at least an 8. And if you didn't score at least an 8, I'm in teacher mode right now, but you'll see a little minus sign over here telling you that you haven't achieved that yet on this assessment. And so you can use this whole module to get you ready to retake this assessment. And if you are looking through the module and you're doing the different assignments and you're still feeling like you need some help, you can always say, hey, Sr.Rothert, I need some extra help, and I can give you a pass to come back in after school, and we can work on it together and maybe identify what you're struggling with. And that's it. That's how you get ready to retake an assessment.